In this video, I'm going to show you how to pack for a trip. Just recently, I took all three of my kids to Portland, Oregon, and I only packed one bag for all of us. I mean, one checked-in bag. We all had our personal items with us. The kids had backpacks, and I had a backpack too with snacks, books, electronics, etc. So right now, anywhere we go, we only pack one bag. If we go on vacation, we go visit family, it's either we drive or we fly, we always pack one bag. Going to Portland can be tricky. Every time we go, the weather changes on us and we expect sunny and it's rainy, or we expect rain and it's warm. So we have to plan accordingly and bring mixed weather clothing. I got this awesome bag from Costco that has all these multiple departments that you can organize. And even if you don't have a dresser on the location, you can still keep all your clothes organized and with easy access. So that bag cost me about $30 in Costco. That's an awesome deal. Tip number one, bring mixed weather clothing. And so what I normally do for a whole week, I pack about 3 to 4 t-shirts, 3 pairs of shorts, 3 pairs of pants, a hoodie, and a raincoat. Also, 2 different types of shoes, the sandals and the tennis shoes. I have access to a washer and dryer, so I don't have to pack 7 days worth of clothing. Tip number 2, darks and colors only. Do not pack any whites. No white underwear, no white t-shirts. They will become dingy if you throw them together with a dark and colored clothing. Tip number 3, mix and match outfits. Pack outfits that will go with anything. Tip number 4, wear your sneakers and put your light sandals, something that's not bulky, in your bag. I normally pack the girls on top, boys in the bottom, shoes on the very bottom. The sides are for rain jackets or hoodies or anything that could be folded flat. Tip number 5, roll your clothes. You cannot imagine how much more space you're going to have in your suitcase if you just roll them up. T-shirts, I usually put 2 or 3 together and roll them up like that. As you can see, we packed everything in this bag and still have plenty of room for my husband if he would have come with us. Tip number 6, take your hoodies, your jackets, your sweaters, take them on a plane with you. It gets chilly in there, so it's kind of nice to layer up. Plus, you don't take up extra room in your suitcase. Tip number 7, leave your hairdryer at home. Most places you go have a hairdryer. If you visit family, you can borrow their hairdryer. I know, it's kind of a silly tip, but a lot of times I drag my hairdryer with me. It's big, it's bulky, or like towels or whatever. No, it's fine. You can use somebody else's towels. You can use hotel's towels. Leave them at home. What do you do when you travel? Do you pack a lot of things, little things? Do you pack everything in one bag? Does everyone in your family brings their own bags? If you have other tips for minimal, compact packing, please comment below. I would like to hear from you.